In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a container in Card. Let's jump right in. First, head over to card.co and open the dashboard. This takes you to your workspace where all your sites live. Find the project you want to work on and open it in the editor. You'll see your canvas in the center and a panel on the side where you'll add and manage elements. Now look for the Add button in the editor. Click it, then choose Container. A container is a flexible layout block you can use to group elements and control how they're arranged. Arrange in Template. It's perfect for organizing sections and lining up content cleanly. With the container selected, open the Type drop-down. Here, choose Columns. This tells Card you want the container to split its space into multiple vertical sections. Columns make it easy to place content side by side, like text next to an image, or a set of features arranged evenly. Next, adjust the division by changing the percentages assigned to each column. This determines how much space each column gets. For example, a 50-50 split gives you two equal columns, while 30-70 creates a narrower column next to a wider one. If you need more than two columns, click Add to insert another, and then fine-tune the percentages so they total 100. As you tweak the numbers, watch the canvas update so you can see the layout take shape in real time. If something looks off, nudge the percentages a little until the balance feels right. Once you're happy with the layout, click Done. This locks in your column setup and takes you back to the main element controls. From here, start adding content inside the container. Select the container, use the Add button again, and drop in elements like text, images, buttons, or icons. Each element you add can be dragged into the left, middle, or right column, depending on how you've divided things. If spacing feels tight, you can adjust padding and alignment in the element settings, so everything breathes and lines up neatly within the container. When your container looks good and your content is in place, it's time to save. Click the Save button. You'll have the option to publish the site so it goes live, or save it offline as a draft if you want to come back and refine it later. Saving as a draft keeps your changes safe without pushing them to the public, while publishing updates the live version for everyone to see. And that's it. You've created a container, set up columns, added your content, and saved your work in Card.